जो आपके माता पिता ने, आपके टीचर ने जो आपका काम दे रखा है, उसको बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ना है आप लोगों को। वो एक चीज़ ऐसी है, जो भी टारगेट है आप सबका, आप स्टडी करते हो किसी चीज़ को, इंजीनियरिंग की लेके या किसी और फील्ड को लेके, उसको बड़ी मेहनत से करना होगा आपको। और मैं इस चीज़ की गारंटी देता हूँ, जो आदमी सच्चे मन से सच्ची तपस्या करता है ना, उसको वो सोच भी नहीं सकता इतना मिलता है।
Hello and welcome to the Knock 5 of the Sports Sphere. Well, yes, I had to start this knock with the words of one of the greats of the sport, the Dhakat sport that we are going to talk about today, and that's wrestling. Well, wrestling काफी international term हो गया. Let's give it a desi touch. It's kushti or पहलवानी. Well, the Indian wrestlers have brought pride and glory to our nation through their success stories. Starting with the star athlete Sushil Kumar, to whom we just heard in the beginning. Sushil Kumar is the only Indian to have won 2 individual medals at the Olympics. His first medal at the Olympics was really special. It came in the year 2008 in the Beijing Olympics. Now, why do I say that it is a special one? It is because it gave a ray of hope and it gave a push to the ambitions of all the wrestlers back here in India that they too can make the country proud in this sport. They too can go at the international level, represent India there and win the medals for the country. In sports, it's not just a game. It's an opportunity for you to prove yourself. Sports challenges you to take the difficult path and do something that has never been done before. और सुशील कुमार ने भी कुछ ऐसे ही किया. At the recent edition of the Commonwealth Games 2018 at the Gold Coast, this man won us gold. It was not that simple though. He brought the gold to our country in just 80 seconds. He didn't even give his opponent an opportunity to score against him and he won the game completely on the basis of technical superiority. Just 80 seconds, can you believe it? 80 सेकेंड में तो मैगी भी नहीं बनती. खैर अच्छी मैगी तो 2 मिनट में भी नहीं बनती, so we're not talking about that. But what a awestruck moment it was for all of us. And thus, he is the star wrestler of our country and we are so proud of him. The future of Indian wrestling is surely bright with all the great wrestlers that are emerging, one of which is Bajrang Punia. He also won a gold at the Commonwealth Games in 2018. He has 2 Asian Games medals, which is 1 silver, 1 gold. He also has won at the World Championship, in which he has 2 bronze and 1 silver. Surely another great athlete coming in for India. जब हम कुश्ती की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम अपने हनुमान जी को कैसे भूल सकते हैं? Yes, I'm talking about the legendary Dara Singh. He had come to Singapore to work in the drum manufacturing company, but because of his physique, his weight, he was encouraged to take up kushti. And then he competed at the Rustom-e-Hind tournament where he won that game against the top athlete of India, Tiger Joginder Singh, which gave him a cup from the hands of Hari Singh, who was the last ruling king of the princely states of Jammu and Kashmir. In 1958, Dara Singh competed at the Commonwealth Championships, and in 1969, he competed in the World Championships and won that medal against the American wrestler. Well, a great politician, a great actor, a great wrestler, all columns ticked with perfection. As Amir Khan says in the Dangal movie, हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम है क्या? बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं है. Well, starting from Vinesh Fogart. Coming from the legacy of the Fogart family, where Geeta Fogart, Babita Fogart have won several Commonwealth Game championships, several international championships, Vinesh Fogart is also in the race. She is the first female wrestler from India to have won a gold at the Commonwealth Games. She won the gold in the Commonwealth Games 2018 and also she is the first female wrestler to have won a gold at Asian Games. Well, nothing in life is freebies. You have to work hard to achieve everything in life. And the struggle of Sakshi Malik to qualify for the Olympics was successful as she won a bronze medal at the Rio Olympics and became the only female wrestler from India to have won a medal at the Olympics. She won a silver in the Commonwealth Games 2018 and a bronze in the Commonwealth Games 2014. She has 3 bronze and 1 silver in the Asian Championships. To be honest, it doesn't matter where you were planted and how you grow. All what is important is you bloom. And I feel that all of these wrestlers would have made this the mantra of their life. Most of them whom we talked about hailed from small towns. But they showed the nation, they showed the country and the world that through their passion, through their courage, through their determination, they can achieve great heights. Though the international standards of wrestling would demand for them to compete on mats, but I have heard so many wrestlers saying that जब तक मिट्टी हमारे बदन पे लगती नहीं ना, तब तक कुश्ती का मजा नहीं है. So all I would say about them is they are the heroes of the mud and the champions of the mat. Well, with this, we conclude the knock fight of the sports sphere. Until we meet next time, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep up the sportsman spirit.